Amazon, not so long ago, the darling of the FANG stocks. We hear a lot about Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, flying in strangely shaped space rockets nearly to space. But what about Amazon, the company? You know, what's it been doing over the last few years, price-wise? Is it going anywhere? You know, is it going to go to the moon, as you would say in crypto world? Today's chart of the day looks into the technical analysis, and we'll try and unravel the picture. Hello, I'm Stephen Hoad, trader and founder of The Stock Punter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. Right then, straight into it on the weekly chart for Amazon, line chart, and really the takeaway here is that Amazon likes to have these spurts in prices, and the one between mid 20, say even early 2020 to mid-ish to sort of autumn 2020 was really, I suppose, COVID related, and lockdown, people ordering more to home. And right there over on the left we could see a run up, and then into the end of 2017, beginning of 2018, and then what seems to happen to Amazon is that the price consolidates for a really decent period of time, in a reasonable size range, so there's opportunity there before it then breaks out. So recently, price has hit those highs, all-time highs, in just over the 3700s after, like I say, consolidating a box for a period of time. And support, if things go wrong, it's going to be around about the 2800 area, and then we've got that slippery slope back down to 2000s. But we're not talking fundamentals here, but the fundamentals do look good, so it is a top stock to trade. It's good for liquidity and volume, nice day trading stock, and at the moment the weekly longer term chart is giving a bullish picture. So let's move on now to the Heikin Ashi to see what that's telling us. It's actually not telling us much different. Now if we go straight to the indicators at the bottom, maybe sort of neutral or weak bearish, possibly just after the price has tried to come back towards the highs. Historical volatility, which is a single red line there in the middle, okay, sort of flat, nothing too exciting there. The pink box there with the E is earnings, so we've got Amazon earnings coming up, so that could add some extra spice into the mix. Now if we head on to the price itself, it's sitting above that black 200 moving average line. It's within the box, the price, so that doesn't get me too excited at the moment till it pops out of that, so that's pretty neutral. And the nice colourful box on there is actually a GAN application. Don't really use GAN too much, but every now and again I like to look at something new and different. But really it was just emphasising there the range at the moment between 2800 and 3800, and I want to point out at that 2800 level there's been 3 touches, even 4 touches of the price there, so it didn't really want to go below the 2800 area, so psychological zone for you to note. So all in all, yes, I suppose a weak bullish outlook for the price. Let's finish up with a Renko chart. Now I've used a 25 block setup for this chart, and it does give me decent amount of opportunity here for swing type trades. And what are the signals telling us at the moment? Indicators down the bottom there, weak bullish, and price wise just Renko wise is reverting back into the Donchian bands after trying to revisit those highs, failing to do so, and just pulling back to Fibonacci support around the 3550 area. Further downsides around the 3400, around that 61.8 line, and the other important Fibonacci line 38.2 around 3200. So there's some shorter term downside targets, and to the upside, if it can break those highs around the 3750, 3800, then the next stop is just under 4,000. So that's Amazon Renko chart. Now let's summarize stuff. Right, to sum things up, Amazon weak bullish overall. Want to see how it plays around the all-time record highs before getting too excited. The Heikin-Ashi Renko, it's bullish in the short term, weak bullish maybe a bit longer than that. And if we head into the targets to the upside and the downside, if we're being a bit more aggressive, then the upside certainly does outweigh the downside. We've got some good risk return there to the upside in comparison. So that's Amazon. Generally at the moment, weak bullish. If you trade Amazon, let me know in the comments below, and also give me the feedback on today's analysis. Do you agree with it? Do you disagree with it? What's your opinion on where the price of Amazon is going? Again, let me know in those comments. It's hard to dislike Amazon as a stock to trade. It's very popular and it has actually great fundamentals, and the technicals are easy to apply. And if you've liked any of the technical analysis in this video and want to find out more, I'll put some links in the descriptions below to some courses that I run. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give us the thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell buttons to receive future notification of any other content I will produce. So all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.